In this video, we will be programming daily light integral light programming on the iGrow 1800 controller. Now, the purpose of this option is to use artificial light, if necessary, to achieve a daily amount of accumulated light in the greenhouse zone. Now, for this demonstration, we will be using a quantum light sensor. Now, to program this output from the home screen, simply hit Enter Menu, and then you want to get to Program Equipment, Onboard Channels, and then in the programming screens, hit Enter Menu to highlight the number that the output is on, and simply hit Next to the None and Plus until you get to Light Equipment Type and hit Back. Now, we have to select the mode, and we want to change it from supplemental, and these are different modes that you can choose from, to DLI, Daily Light Integral. Once we have that, hit Next. Now, in this second screen, you will select the light sensor, which you will use to control the amount of accumulated light. Ideally, this would be a light sensor located near plant level. You could use a solar, a PAR, or you could use the Advanced Digital Integrated Sensor Module. But we will be using the PAR, and our PAR is in fact mapped to be in-light. It's an in-light sensor, but you can also utilize, if you like, for this output, an out-light sensor. But we will be using in-light. Hit Next. Now, this second entry is the accumulated light threshold, which is your target threshold for the day. And what we'll do is we'll change this target threshold to be 10 millimoles per hour. Hit Next. Now, on the third screen, you will set the day start time when your light accumulator is to begin. And right now it's at 6 a.m. We're going to go ahead and leave it at 6 a.m. Now, the next two fields, if your threshold is not reached by this turn-on time, shown as 3 p.m., then the light will in fact turn on and remain on until either the light threshold is reached or the day end time is reached. And we're going to leave our turn on time to be at 3 and our day end at 7. To change the numerical value, simply hit plus and minus. Go to the next screen. Now, the light energy output is only to be used if there is no interior light sensor. But we're using an interior light sensor for this output, so this field is not necessary. Hit Next. And now we're back at the beginning of the programming output. Hit Back till you get to the home screen to save your changes. Now, from the Link4 1800 view, as you can see, we have output number 1 and output number 2 set up for daily light integral light programming. We just programmed output number 1, and as you can see, the accumulator is already accumulating light because our start time is in fact at 6 a.m. and we're beyond that start time currently. If I double click the output, we do have a start time at 6, on time at 3, and end time at 7, using an inside light, utilizing 10 millimoles per hour as our threshold to be met. And as you can see, there's also overrides that you can utilize as well, humidity and a timed override for this output. Go ahead and update. And that's our video on setting up daily light integral light programming on the iGrow 1500 controller.